क्या आपके साथ भी ऐसा हो रहा है कि रात की पूरी 8 घंटे की नींद लेने के बाद भी जब आप सुबह उठते हैं तो आपको ऐसा फील होता है कि आपकी नींद ही कंप्लीट नहीं हुई है। आपके हिसाब से आप सारी चीजें भी सही से कर रहे हैं, यू आर ईटिंग राइट, यू आर स्लीपिंग ऑन टाइम, यू आर हैविंग इनफ वाटर, chances are that you have deleted your Facebook and Instagram too. But still, that heaviness from your chest and brain doesn't seem to go away. Before we start, let me tell you something about your brain probably you don't know. And when you will understand that, you will stop struggling and start recovering in the right direction. You know, when your mental demand stays high for too long, your brain doesn't give up or break down. It goes into the power saving mode. So, if you have been feeling foggy, detached, unusually tired, there is nothing wrong with you. Rather, your brain is trying to protect you. Stick with me till the end of this video because I'm going to tell you 3-step reset protocol that is actually going to help you. You know, we have been lied about the rest. We think sitting on the sofa, watching Netflix or Instagram and thinking that how people are living better life than me is resting. पर शायद कि आपने ये नोटिस किया है कि जब आप कुछ देर तक सोशल मीडिया पे रहते हैं, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम पे रहते हैं, तो एक्चुअली यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग वर्स because then your brain is actually not resting. It's processing thousands of micro decisions. Like, should I comment on that video? Should I like it? How come they're living better life than me? How come she's so beautiful, so well maintained? You know, मेरी सैलरी कब बढ़ेगी? मेरा लाइफ कब improve होगा? Think about your brain like a browser. You know, where you don't have too many programs running, but you have multiple tabs open. And those tabs are actually not actions. Those are open loops. Loops that are eating your RAM. You know, this part shook me the most. We are not exhausted because we have a long to-do list. We are exhausted because of something called performative living. Exhausted because we are performing for someone else. You know, आजकल क्या हो रहा है कि हम एक कॉफी की परफेक्ट पिक्चर लेने के लिए हम उस सैलेड प्लेटर की परफेक्ट पिक्चर लेने में आधा घंटा 1 घंटा लगा देते हैं, और जब एक्चुअली टाइम आता है कि हम उसको एंजॉय कर पाए तो कॉफी ठंडी हो गई होती है। सैलेड प्लेटर को बनाने में हम इतने थक जाते हैं कि हम उसको एंजॉय नहीं कर पाते। You know, that peaceful meditation session, that yoga pose, that sunrise, sunset, we are not living the moment because we are so busy showing the world that we are living it. And it's exhausting. The mental pressure of performing for social media 24/7 is leaving us with nothing but a gallery full of moments we didn't enjoy. Now let me tell you another reason you are exhausted. You know, आजकल की मॉडर्न लाइफ का डिमांड है कि हम हर दिन हजारों डिसीजन लेते हैं। You know, आज ऑफिस जाऊं कि वर्क फ्रॉम होम करूं, जिम जाना है या नहीं जाना है, ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या बनाऊं, बॉस के साथ रिव्यू आज करूं या कल करूं, क्लाइंट मीटिंग कब रखूं, आज या कल। And your brain is not designed to take so many decisions because each decision costs glucose and neurotransmitters. And once that fuel runs low, your brain would say, okay, I have been used enough for today. Let me go into the power saving mode. And then you feel procrastination, overthinking simple work, mental resistance to start a new work or resume the work you have been doing. And it's not laziness, it's resource depletion. You know, most mentally exhausted people are not dealing with constant stress. They are dealing with constant anticipation. Anticipating what is to be done next. What could go wrong? Will they like me? Will they accept me? What if it fails? And over time, it creates mental fatigue, intolerance, irritability. Because your system is over prepared for the future. Okay, now let's learn how to refill the energy. Number one, close the loop. Write down every I should, I will do it later. Either do it or delete it. Don't let it run in the background. Number two, stop performing. Set at least 1 hour in a day when you are not needed by anyone else. Not by your kids, your family, your relatives, your friends. Number three is active versus passive rest. Stop scrolling with something boring. Go for a walk, rest, meditate, dance, sing. Now, let me tell you a few more things you can do. Take fewer decisions. Ask your kids, your husband, your colleagues to take ownership. Don't get into the things they can manage themselves. Start setting boundaries around your mental availability. You know, when your brain receives the signal that you don't have to stay alert all the time, your brain relaxes and your energy returns. If you like the video, let me know in the comment. Share it with someone who needs it. And subscribe, because this channel is for someone who is done repeating the painful pattern and want to live the life with awareness, mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. Thank you for watching.